Asboni with Professor Dr. Stefan Rixen, who is a professor of public law at the University of Bayreuth and a member of the German Ethics Council, Deutscher Ethikrat, a body that has published several consultation papers on the political and legal situation of the pandemic, one of them dealing with an obligation to get vaccinated. So that was one of the interesting parts of our conversation. And there was a second main part, which is about the decisions taken so far by the German Constitutional Court called Bundesnotbremse, Emergency Brake 1 and 2. And that were also part of the debate. In my view, it was really outstandingly interesting to hear from Rixen how the legal thinking makes its way into the ethical recommendation system and then into the daily politics. And several of the lessons I learned were also specifically interesting in my view. One of them was about issues of representation in such bodies, in particular youth, and the elderly is something we need to think about. And second, the empirical starting points, so the data that we have when we start to debate politically, ethically, and legally about measures to be taken, such as an obligation to get vaccinated, need much more attention, how they are found, by whom they are found, and how they are brought into the system than we have been doing so far. This is, in my view, an excellent interview when it comes to where the German thinking in public law, in particular constitutional law, is standing at the moment, with a lot of perspectives on the Austrian situation, because Rixen is also actively participating in the legal debate on the Austrian situation. So he is one of those in Germany who really take notice of what's been going on in this country. Have a look into it.